Hey everyone, it's June 2024. I wanted to film this quick video and let you know about what's going on with the IRS as far as them sending out incorrect CP14 notices. Now, if you don't know what that is, it's an IRS notice sent to taxpayers informing them that they owe money on unpaid taxes. It provides details about the money owed, including penalties and interest, and explains how to pay the balance. Now, the thing is, the IRS is actually sending out incorrect CP14 notices. So if you received one and you paid the balance with the tax return when it was due, you might be surprised to receive one of these notices saying that you still owe the balance. Keep watching and I'll show you exactly how to handle this and what to do and not to worry. I'm Noel Lorenzana. I'm a registered CPA licensed in Illinois. Feel free to reach out to me for any tax preparation, bookkeeping, and accounting needs. My contact information is down below. So jumping into the slideshow that I have prepared for you, question. Have you received a CP14 balance due notice from the IRS when you already paid the balance owed? Answer. As I said before, the IRS is sending out incorrect CP14 notices. Question. What is an IRS CP14 notice? An IRS CP14 notice is a letter sent to taxpayers informing them that they owe money on unpaid taxes. Naturally, if you received a CP14 notice and you already paid the amount due, you might be really surprised, and a lot of people are freaking out about this. Rightfully so. Nobody wants to receive an IRS notice, especially if they've already paid their taxes. Just to give you some background information, every June the IRS sends out millions of these letters. If you have an amount due on your prior year tax return, they're sent out automatically. So let's take a look at a sample CP14 notice that you might have received. Okay, so here is a sample IRS CP14 notice that I found online. Up here on the top right, you can see the notice name CP14, tax year 2023. That's the return year that we just filed this year. And the notice date, June 3rd, 2024. So like I mentioned, these were sent out starting in June. And scrolling down, you can see it says, our records show you filed your 2023 Form 1040 with an amount owed. And the amount owed was approximately $7,817.03. But in this case, the taxpayer paid the amount due in full. So they were really surprised to still receive this IRS notice. So let me scroll down to the rest of the page just so you can see. At the bottom, they include a payment stub where you can send your presumed payment if you actually do owe the money. So that's basically the IRS CP14 notice. So this year, the IRS is actually delayed in processing payments for some reason. And this resulted in all these erroneous letters being sent out. So what are you supposed to do now if you received one? So according to Spidell, which is a tax and education website, I'll show their website in a minute, they issued this notice on June 7th. Erroneous IRS notices being sent due to processing delays. We've received inquiries from numerous tax professionals asking why their clients are receiving CP14 notices indicating a balance due, even though the clients can substantiate they timely paid all the tax due. The IRS has confirmed that there is a nationwide delay in processing payments, resulting in erroneous balance due notices being sent when there is in fact no tax due. Aha, this is all very interesting. So here's the actual website for Spidell Tax Analysis Education. And interestingly enough, I haven't seen anything on the IRS website. So kudos to them for getting this information out there. Continuing on, this is what the IRS advises. The IRS is advising tax professionals and their clients to wait 6 to 8 weeks to see if the payments are posted before contacting the IRS. If payments are not posted after the 6 to 8 week period, the tax professional or client will have to provide proof of payment to the IRS to ensure that no penalties are imposed. So if this applies to you, you could disregard the letter for now, Wait 6 to 8 weeks to see if the payment has actually been posted to your account. If it has, then you don't have to worry about anything. If it hasn't, then you need to reach out to the IRS. You might have to respond to the letter with your proof of payment. You can also call the IRS using the number on the notice, speak with an employee, and get it sorted out right then and there. So to recap, if you received a CP14 tax due letter from the IRS, review it carefully since it may not be correct, especially if you think you've already paid it. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.